What's up, y'all? In today's video, well, this is actually another recording video from what y'all are about to see in the rest of this video. I had already recorded an intro for this video, but as I was editing it, I didn't really like, my energy in it because I had just got off of work. And I felt like I was kind of rushing through it, and I felt like I could bring a better, intro and explain stuff better to y'all. So I'm re-recording this, and also I'm probably recording about 3 more videos in this one day. So y'all gonna see this same attire in about 3, hopefully 4 more videos, because today I'm trying to get a lot done before I head to work. But that's not what this video is about. And today's video is going to be more of a response video to TK's garage video. He did this about maybe a week or 2 ago. It's a video about driving without your key fob. Like, how long would Dodge let a car drive without the key fob in it? Let's say, you know how some of the dudes like to pull up to the gas station, hop out. Some of them leave their door open, leave their cars running, just, run in the store and run out. Still got their key fob on them, but what if somebody come and take your car? And how long do y'all think that they can get down the road before something actually happened with the security system? And in TK's video, basically nothing really happened, but in his video he had somebody following him. I didn't have nobody following me. I just placed my keys down somewhere and I just went. But we're gonna go ahead and jump into this video, so make sure y'all go ahead and like this video, drop a green or purple emoji, and when the video is over with, come back and leave an actual comment. And if you ain't subscribed already, then stop playing with slime. Like I said, y'all, that wrap is already ordered. I'm excited. I'm ready for it to get here. Whenever it gets to the shop, I'm gonna give y'all a little sneak preview of what it looks like, and hopefully he can get me in and out. So Nick, if you're watching this video, that's who's gonna be doing my wrap. I'm gonna put his shop right there on the screen. As y'all can see, that iPhone mock-up. NRL Designs will be doing my wrap. If you've been following my channel for a while, then they gave me the first look on slime with the stripes and the graffiti on the back. So I might as well continue. I like, supporting other business that I previously supported and that's gave me good quality of work. So make sure y'all go over and follow NRL Designs and hit them up for any wraps or any kind of detail work that you need on your car, and let them know that Slime Pack sent you, so you can get the best deals. Like I said, I'm getting ready to jump into this video. We're gonna see how far I can drive without my key fob, and if I can do any other custom settings. Right now I have the car off. I'm about to get out. As you can see, the keys, I keep them on my waist. And show y'all that these are the right keys. Crank it up. This is not a cold start. Same keys. So there you have it. I'm gonna have to get in, crank it up, and then leave the keys out. To take my keys and put them somewhere. Nobody gonna be back here, hopefully. And let's see how far we can go. Get y'all walk around real quick. It's 30. Seatbelt on. And put my seatbelt on and see what it'll do. So, no key fob is in the car, and I can just drive as I want to. As y'all can see, I got 3,079 miles on there, if y'all can see. We just gonna drive a little bit because I'm ready to get home and go to bed. But I gotta get this content out of the way. I think I'm gonna switch back to my iPhone camera. I like that view better. When I switch, y'all, let me know which view you like better, like this one Or do y'all like this view better? Let me know down below in the comment section. I love this view better because it shows more of a wider view. Right now I'm still in the auto start settings. Street mode. I'm about to put it in my custom modes. And it lets me put it in my custom mode with no key fob. If y'all hear some wind noises because my sunroof is vented a little bit, I'm gonna close it for y'all. That's love whenever I close my sunroof, because I barely even close my sunroof in the rain. I could do all of this with no key fob. See, can I downshift? Ain't that crazy, y'all? Imagine, like, you know, if you had just hopped out of your car for a quick second to grab something, and somebody done hopped back in your car before you, and they already gone. No key fob, they can still do the same thing that you could do with a key fob. Once I turn around up here, I'm gonna put it in track mode. Right now I've been driving for 3 miles, as you can see. Make a U-turn up here. Throw it in track mode real quick. I'm gonna crack the windows just a little bit so y'all can get more of the exhaust sound. Let me roll down the back ones. And time-wise, I've been driving for over 3 minutes. You can see it still says key fob, not key fob. Well, key fob has left the vehicle. Just joyriding without a key fob. I'm gonna put it in park and see if I can put it back in drive, see if that'll do anything. First gear sound. Somebody had asked in the comment section. Somebody had asked in the comment section on one of my videos, do they have to hit the brakes while they're downshifting? And no, whenever you downshift, your car is slowing down. So whenever you downshift, especially like whenever you coming up to a stop sign or you're gonna be behind a car, it's best that you know, just like you know your car enough to where you know if you got enough space where you won't have to hit the brakes, if y'all get what I'm saying. Like, if I'm here and I downshift the third, I downshift right here the second, okay, you know, I can ride that out to right here to this sign. Let's say if that was a stop sign. But if I was going faster than what I was before and I downshifted, then I will have to end up hitting my brakes, because there's not enough space. So no, you do not have to hit your brakes while downshifting. That's what downshifting does. It slows down your car. So it's best that you know your car whenever it comes to making stops, like at the stop sign, or if you're getting behind a car, like know your car distance and know, like, I can't really explain it. You just gotta know your car while you're downshifting, so you'll know how much distance you can ride out those gears in. Let's go down this road. I think I've been driving 5 miles now. I think I started at 3,079, if I'm not mistaken. Still in track mode. Been driving over 6 minutes. Brakes to make this turn. You ain't gonna have enough space, and you want at the right speed to go to first gear to slow you down anymore. Once you start downshifting, if you haven't, or if you're not comfortable with downshifting, you're gonna start getting what I'm saying. It's early in the morning, so I ain't trying to make too much noise through the neighborhoods. Ooh, that front windshield is dirty. Hey, don't y'all wish Dodge would have changed up the interior just a little bit? Just a little bit, like, just a little bit. Like right here, I can ride second out of this stop sign. It don't look like it, because how the camera was zoomed out, as you can see. But yeah, I did not have to hit any brakes, just rolled it out in second. Look, y'all, I'm not no expert at downshifting. I just know how to downshift. Even if you don't know how to downshift, your car will not let you downshift if, how can I say it? So listen, y'all, I'm not no professional at downshifting. I'm not saying that. I just know my speeds, where I can downshift at which gear. When you're in auto, your car will not let you downshift until it's time to downshift. You can hit it all you want. Let's say if I wanted to go to let me get it up to where I'm at third gear. Alright, third gear. Let's say I wanted to hit it to go to second gear. It's not gonna let me do nothing. It's gonna give you this message. Till now you can go to second gear. So as long as you're in auto, you do not have to worry about missing your gears or none of that. Like right now, I can go to second, but I can't go to first until I get to the speed. Turning around, heading back to where my keys are. I've been driving, what's that? What, 7 miles already? Over 10 minutes. In track mode, in my custom modes, downshifting and everything without a key fob. Yeah, I said I'm gonna put it in park. put a car in park, I'm gonna open the door. Should that make any difference? If I was to steal a car, I'm about to get out, get back in, and put the car back in drive. That's crazy though. So there you have it. For those of you that like to, you know, hop out the car while you at the little corner store or little gas station with your car running and you don't lock it, or if you ain't got your key fob on you, anybody can jump in your car and steal your car and pretty much go how far they want to and any drive modes that they want to, and they can just get away without a key fob. I'm gonna go down my little secret location.